Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today for lunch, we're going to do Rayo's spaghetti and meatballs. And in order to do that, of course, we need Rayo's meatballs first. Here's the box of Rayo's meatballs. So what we're going to do is pair that up with Rayo's sauce. And of course, we're going to use Rayo's spaghetti right there. That's gonna be lunch. Let's go make it. Wow, look at this beautiful sauce. I added some Kerrygold butter, extra virgin olive oil, and some Parmesan cheese. Mix it real good. Then we go from here to the plate. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Lunch, Rayo's spaghetti with meatballs. And these are the meatballs. The actual meatballs. They actually look really good. Turned out beautiful. I'm going to cut one open for you so I can show you what it looks like on the inside. Back to my plate. Spaghetti and meatballs by Rayo's. I sliced this one open so you can see what it looks like on the inside. When I open it wide, it's hot, it's hot. So that's what the meatball looks on the inside versus the outside. Back to the box. Looks good. Looks really, really good. I'm impressed. For frozen meatballs, it looks pretty good. Here's pasta. Rayo's, always good. Dependable. Nice, easy to eat. Here we go guys, first bite. Rayo's spaghetti. I added that olive oil to it. It's beautiful, I can taste it, it's delicious. Let me cut this meatball. There's the meatball. The outside, back to the inside. Beautiful, beautiful meatball. So, yep, nice, soft, juicy, tasty. Really, really good stuff by Rayo's. Honestly, sure, this whole meatball. There's 6 of them. 6 meatballs in a box, in a package. And I'm gonna say, take another bite before I rate it. Yeah, it's good. It's good. If you have a job like me, especially if you have a kid like me, you have no time to make your own meatballs. And sometimes you feel like a meatball sandwich or spaghetti with meatballs or something like that. This is it. This is it. For a frozen meatball, this is really good. It's not going to be like your grandma's meatballs, but it's pretty good. 6 pretty good sized meatballs. You can probably make, 2-3 plates of spaghetti with meatball and a meatball sandwich. You can feed your whole family with this. My rating would be 4.25 out of 5 on this. Very, very, very good. If you feel like meatballs, didn't have meatballs in a long time, feel like a meatball sandwich, stop by your local grocery store, pick a box up of these Rayo's meatballs. You won't regret it. That was my lunch, and I'll see you guys in the next video.